Hello guys, welcome to today's tutorial. In this video, I'm going to teach you how to check the browsing history on a Wi-Fi router using a web browser. Some newer router like those rented from a Spectre. So, without waste your time, let's get started. I hope you follow all the steps and do not skip the video. Go to settings, click the network and internet, scroll down and you can see the view hardware and connections property. First, get your IP address is sometimes located on the bottom of the router, but in Windows 10 you can go to settings and view the network and security, then click this and you can see my IP address is here. So now copy the IP address, close the setting and go to your Chrome browser, paste the IP address and then click. After this step, now you can see all your networks, status, internet, and also change your password and routing, wireless, etc. Now you can change all your security, IP address and etc. I hope this video is helpful to you. Subscribe my channel and like my video.